Is your dryer not drying your clothes as efficiently as it once did? It could be that the lint trap is collecting lint, but some of the lint is going beyond the trap and getting into the belly of your dryer, causing potential house fires, and then the obvious that it's not drying your clothes efficiently. So if you get a dust daisy, this is a slip-on hose that attaches to the end of your vacuum. It's an adorable little daisy design. It stretches right over. Put it over any vacuum. This happens to be a central vac, so we'll put it over this. Stretches on, and you can use this to dive in to the area where the lint might be trapped. This particular dryer doesn't have the trap here, but many of them do. You can just dig in here. In this case, you can go in here and get in. This is the little lint brush that gets the lint off the walls as it goes in deep. So that's it, the Dust Daisy Dryer Vent Cleaner. I think you're gonna love it.